Hello everyone, welcome to Protechnoid. So in this video we'll see how to check your Windows 10 version. So there are two methods using which you can check your Windows 10 version. The first method is go to Start and click on the settings icon here and click on System here and scroll down and click About. So in this About section you will see all your device specifications and Windows specifications. In this you can find your Windows version. So mine is 22H2. So this is one method. So now the second method. Press Ctrl plus R on your system and you will get your run window and type in WinVer, which will give us the current Windows version. Click OK and it will show a pop-up like about Windows, and here you can find your Windows version. So friends, this is how we can find our Windows version. If there are any other issues or ways, let me know in the comment section. Kindly please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.